think everybody's going to get something from the conference. So I would highly recommend it for anybody. You're going to get a lot out of it, no matter who you are.
A lot of great classes, learned a lot. Can't wait to go back home and apply some of the knowledge that I learned, put it in everyday practices.
The material's amazing, the instructors are amazing, and it's a great experience.
They teach everything. They teach you by seeing, by hands-on, by listening.
You learn a lot about the science. You hear what other people are doing. Our industry is much more word of mouth than other industries.
EMS Today is a great experience. There is so much information that you can take back to your stations.
They always have topics that are up to date with what's going on right now.
Seeing the new technologies, the new equipment, and having that interaction with that human interaction is important.
You meet people from all over, different positions, different backgrounds, different type of entities, service agencies, fire, EMS, and the knowledge you gain from talking to those people and the connections, it just, you learn from a great deal.
My experience with Match was very good. I was set up with exhibitors that had things that I needed. It puts you in a position to meet with them on a one-on-one basis without having to be interrupting another meeting, try and find time amongst the crowds. It really is a great use of our time down here.
I would say you got to get here.
Great networking opportunity. You're going to learn a ton. There's great classes out there. There's something for everybody.
It doesn't matter what you're looking for, you're going to find it here.
Obviously, the only place to be for EMS education is at EMS Today. Register early, space will sell out in the workshops and the other classes. We'll see you in Tampa.